In this video, I'll show you how you can make your Windows faster and improve and speed up your PC. First step is you want to come here and search for adjust the appearance. Come in here and go to visual effects. In here, what you want to do is you want to disable all of these. So just choose adjust for best performance, and then you want to enable this one and this one. Once you've done that, just press apply and OK, and that will already improve it by a bit. After that, you want to come here and search for power, edit power plan, come to power options, make sure you choose high performance. If you cannot see it, you might want to press this and it might be down here. After that, you want to search for game mode, open up the game mode settings. Now you can turn this on if you want to improve it for gaming. So turn this on and then head over to game bar and turn this off. Once you've done this, you want to make sure that you have the latest driver updated. So go to device manager, go to display adapters, right click your GPU and update driver. You also want to make sure that you download the software for your driver. So just Google your GPU name and type in driver. And in my case, I'll get the NVIDIA one. So once you have the NVIDIA one, you want to open it. Or if you have another one, you want to open it and take the latest update from in there. After that, come here and search for Windows update settings. Go here and make sure you have the latest Windows update. Now after doing all of this, it should already increase it by quite a lot. And then as a last step, what you should do is come here and search for this PC. Make sure you have enough space. If both of them, or if you only have one and it's almost up all the way, you might want to delete some of your stuff. After doing all of that, it can really improve the performance and also the speed. If you really want to clean it up fast, you can type in disk cleanup and just follow the guides in there. I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.